When you're operating a 3,000-ton vessel, you have to know exactly what's going on around you.
What makes this project really exciting is the complexity and the innovation that is coming through here.
This will be transformative for the shipping industry.
Seafar is a technology company developing technology to remotely operate crew-reduced or unmanned vessels in the inland industry. There is a shortage of captains, so by bringing a captain in a remote operating center, it is possible to more efficiently make use of the time of a captain. In a busy area like the port of Antwerp, we need the connection between the vessel and the remote operating center to be hyper-stable to assure the operational availability of the vessel and the safety. In the port, we saw a lot of interference of the signal, so we had to think of a new solution.
In the past, Seafar relied on the commercial network infrastructure to enable the communication between the vessel and the remote captain. The quality that they needed for that communication was not guaranteed.
That's where Network as a Service, in short, NaaS, comes in. Network as a Service allows developers to program and customize the behavior of a commercial mobile network in order to create applications that meet the very specific needs of their customers. Telenet, Liberty Global, Nokia and iMac come together and created and installed this major trial in the port of Antwerp.
Telenet and Liberty Global have deployed Nokia's 5G standalone technology. This enables 5G slicing, which reserves and prioritizes network resources.
And we in iMac are building applications that communicate with the network and program the network behavior. Our situational awareness application is creating geofenced areas in the port to indicate the busiest areas. And once the remote captain is approaching that area, the application is dynamically triggering the change in the network, and the quality of the connectivity between the remote center and the vessel is automatically guaranteed.
What this allows is the ability for the network to be utilized optimally. And this saves costs for the customers because they're only using it when they need it. And there's enough bandwidth available to be able to drive more use cases on that same network.
This implementation is fully aligned with the GSMA Open Gateway initiatives in order to ensure worldwide standardization.
The trial proved to be very successful, and we can already see that the obstacles and the challenges that we had in the port and in such environments can be overcome with NaaS.
The increased quality of service brings us a better situational awareness for the remote captains. In terms of operations, we have seen a smoother image in the remote operating center, which gives the captain more confidence in a busy area like the port.
This project really shows the link between the business and the technology and what we can do with our mobile network in the future.
What we're doing here is just the tip of the iceberg. There's going to be hundreds of use cases in the port itself, but then you start to look at logistics, you start to look at manufacturing, you start to look at mining, and all of the industrial verticals that they are. These create significant underpinnings of how technology can be used to drive innovation and digitalization.